Hey guys, welcome to our honeymoon resort review at Atelier Playa Mujeres. I'm gonna get straight to the point. Should you go here? I absolutely 100% recommend this 5-star all-inclusive adults-only resort to everybody. Alright, if that wasn't enough convincing, let's talk about when you arrive. When you come in, they're gonna open the door for you and treat you like royalty. There's gonna be a bartender that's gonna come up and serve you champagne. Now that you have a glass of champagne in your hands, let's take a tour of this beautiful resort. This resort has 12 amazing restaurants, no limit to how much you can order. They have an incredible staff, and everything you need is at the resort. And if they don't, they can help you. As we're walking, we'll pass by the main coffee shop towards the resort suites. Over here to our right, it's going to be one of the many bars at the resorts. They have art murals throughout the resort, great for Instagram photos. And they do offer photography for special moments. Coming up, you'll see a gift shop to our left. And then up here, we have the Noop Spa. We did the hydrotherapy circuit and an hour massage, unreal experience. If anything, I recommend doing the hydrotherapy. It's an hour and a half experience. Now we're heading to the room. They will give you a wristband as a room key, so you don't lose it when you go out to the beach or the ocean. We ended up getting the Junior King Suite. It is 635 square feet and everything is well thought out. It comes with a rain shower, bathtub in the middle of the room, sliding doors to close it off, 2 sinks with amenities, a fully stocked fridge with alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, a snack bar, 24/7 room service, and come on, filet mignon at 2 a.m. Very nice. King size bed in the middle of the room facing the windows. Unreal. Best part of the room, this ocean view patio. Over there to the right is the front of the hotel, so we're over here towards the end, a little bit closer to the hotel. A little bit of a walk, but definitely worth it. Here you'll see the main pool with 2 swim-up bars and a large jacuzzi. Over there you'll see hole 16 of the Playa Mujeres Golf Club, which is attached to this amazing resort. The room has buttons for do not disturb and room cleaning that will light up discreetly outside the room. Click them in here, and then when we go outside, you should be able to see the buttons light up. Definitely a big fan of this versus the paper on the door or calling room service. Let's go to the beach and the pool. Coming out the elevator, we're super close to the pool area. So they do have towel booths throughout the pool and beach areas, so don't worry about forgetting it. These rooms here are another upgrade that you can have to have your own semi-private pool area and just have direct access to the main pool. So walking up, this is the main pool area that has 2 swim-up bars on each end. So you can always have a drink in your hand, and there's also servers that come around and just help you out, make sure you're always going. This is the large jacuzzi I was talking about. It can fit about 20 plus people. Here is the beachside restaurant. And now we're here to the resort side beach. Canopies are first come, first serve. They do have a bar outside here as well with servers to help you out. And of course, you gotta take your Instagram photos. All this is part of the resort, so canopies are first come, first serve. We came here during November, Thanksgiving week. It was mid-80s every single day, clear skies. We very lucked out on the weather here this time. Let's go ahead and go out to the ocean side. Let's check out what the canopies look like and how blue the water is. They do have a little bit of seaweed buildup, but that's part of the fee that you pay when you arrive, or part of your room fees. So they have constant seaweed cleanup. Now we're walking up to the other side of the building here. So this is one of the secret pools that they have. So if you do want to stay away from the main pool where there's loud music and just a bunch of people, they also have another poolside bar here as well too. Walking up this way, there's a pathway to building 3 that also has another secret pool area and a few restaurants. But here you get a view of hole number 17 of the Playa Mujeres golf course. Now we're back inside. We're going to take a quick tour of the gym, which is state of the art, by the way. They did not skimp out on the weights. They have free weights, they have rowing machines, Stairmaster, they have everything you need to get in a great workout. Definitely was blown away by this. Now we're outside. They do have a bridge pathway that if you want to take a scenic route from point A to point B of the building, this is the way to do it on especially a great day. We are back in the main lobby, so let's grab a drink and then just hang out here. They have a beautiful outdoor patio area. They have an indoor lounge with amazing chairs. You can just sit there and just hang out with your friends. And just a reminder, this is an adult-only resort. No kids running around. This amazing resort does offer a conference/event center for large events. While we were here, they had a wedding going on, and we were able to experience part of it, so it was pretty cool. are at building 3. We called this the secret pool because not a lot of people during our stay was not over here. So we took advantage of it. We literally had the whole pool to ourselves most of the time. At this building, there are 4 restaurants, a bar, and a coffee shop. Kopai is a Japanese restaurant where they have a revolving sushi bar. So this is where we had our first meal when we arrived at the resort. Here is Consentita, is one of the buffets that they offer here. Walking up, this is a Bloody Mary and Mimosa bar. This amazing buffet offered authentic Mexican entrees and traditional American breakfast foods. And during lunchtime, oh my gosh, even better. Just look at all this. So amazing. Everything's so well thought out. The cooks there, the team, amazing and super helpful. Atelier Playa Mujeres does have their own golf club that is open to the public, so I did have to squeeze in a round of golf on our trip. It is definitely a little bit on the pricey side. It's about $200 per round, but the views and just experience definitely worth it. Driving up, here's the putting green, the driving range, just very well kept, so great experience. So I gotta go warm up before my round. Play hole 16 with me. It's a par 4, 386 yards. This hole is the one that's right next to the hotel and a direct view line from our patio. Enjoy my shots. I didn't do too bad, especially with rental clubs, which were $80 by the way. Finishing up the round, let's go to what the resort offers every single day. Just daily shows, they have events and workshops just to make your stay even more worth it. And they had a fire show one night, and this guy, he had a whole team, and it was an amazing show. Thank you for staying for the tour of the resort. We had an amazing time here. We 100% recommend this resort to everybody we know. And if this video didn't convince you enough, just go for yourself. Just go. I promise you, it'll be worth it. The resort is beautiful, the food is incredible, the drinks never end, and the fun don't stop. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and see you guys soon. Bye.